So another good function is the identify nulls. This is something I do in almost every plot or every workflow, sorry. And the idea here is it allows us to understand if there's any null values in our data set. If you don't check this, there always is a null, and you always find out later on that you didn't understand this, and it'll kind of, better to understand this up ahead of time and just really identify those. This is much more important when you're in machine learning. Lots of the regular statistical functions have a little bit to deal with the null values already. Some no, but you'll run into this a lot with Seaborn. If you don't have your nulls dealt with, it will kind of give you errors. So you just want to make sure you handle them in a certain way. Uh, and what this does is if you do dot is null, it gives you a matrix of the true and false values, and then dot sum will count up by default the columns 0 equal false equal 0, true equal 1, and so it'll give you a count of the number of is null the times that is true in your data set. So it's a quick little easy check to do as you're starting your workflow.